Meet the Norwix iSP, the smart, high-speed coding solution for VFFS packaging lines. Print on 4 to 20 lanes simultaneously with zero shuttling of print heads. With stationary print heads, the print length is virtually unlimited. And not just lot and date codes, the iSP is capable of printing high-quality barcodes and QR codes. With a custom-designed mounting bracket designed by SP Group, the iSP will integrate into any system seamlessly. Crystal clear 600 dpi resolution and rock-solid reliability that keeps your production moving. With easy-to-install ink cartridges, say goodbye to messy and time-consuming refilling. Just insert and go. Are you ready to replace your old coder with a smarter, more efficient solution? To find out more about our products, check us out online